Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. I'm having fun with a song from Myke Towers. It's called EXPECTATIVAS, and that is a 4-chord song, pretty much very, very easy. You have that 4 famous combo of C, D, G, and E minor, and a single strumming pattern. Let's go into this one. And yes, you can see here, no need for any capo. It's clean. We're gonna go straight into the chords and start with the first one, C, okay? So that goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord will be D, and that will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. We go into the next, G, as in Gordon guitar, anyway, 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And then you also have the E minor, and that will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. We're gonna throw in a bridge chord, so to speak. It has this effect. You go from the G to this G-F chord, okay? As a transition chord. So when you have the G here, you have the bottom glued on the 3rd fret B string and 3rd fret E string. And you hold this one. We learned that already. So for the G-F chord to happen, you have to recoup your fingers to this, okay? Basically what you do is to move that 3rd fret E string to 2nd, but you have to switch the fingers like this. So that gives us 2nd E, 2nd A, and then open D, open G, and the same down there, 3rd B and 3rd E. So it comes after G, and then yes, there we have the chords. So let's start with the strumming first, and we have a 2-part strumming because we need to split it sometimes. So if you grab the first chord C, we have the first part what goes like this. So down, down, up, clap, down. Okay, so then you make a short pause there, and then second part goes down, clap, down. And that's it. So if you connect it, it will be like this. A couple rounds. And so on. Okay, this is how I would perform it. You can obviously play this in different ways. This is not a guitar song, but this is how I would translate the strumming to fit this specific song. So we have a main pattern that goes 1, that means both part 1 and part 2, 1 full strumming round of C, 1 on D, 1 on G, and 1 on E minor. That is the main pattern. So let's play together. So that's that. Then we have some modifications to this. Maybe you can hear that at 1 minute and 19 seconds in. You're gonna play C1, D1, then comes G part 1, that is the down, down, up, clap, down. And then you switch to the G-F, play part 1 as well, down, down, up, clap, down. And then 1 down on C plus a pause. You just let that pause go as if you would play 1 full string around. That's the length of the pause. So C1, D1, G part 1, GF part 1, and C1 down, like this. And next round. All right, that's one modification. The next one happens about 51 seconds in, and that is to play C1, D1, G part 1, GF part 1, and E minor 1 full round. So it's very similar to the original where you just play 1 string around per chord. Here you're gonna split the G on GF, and yeah, that's it. So let's do it together. And there you have it, guys. Myke Towers, EXPECTATIVAS. That's a great song, like uplifting, very easy to play on guitar for famous chords. Yes. So thank you for watching, and if you love this one, please make sure you subscribe to this channel, and let's move on forever together. And that's it. Play tuned.